Talk.
Oh, welcome to retirement, guys. Today I will
Retirement life.
retirement life, and today we'll be boating.
What kind of boating? What are we going to do out in the pontoon?
We're going to go swimming.
Yes, the pontoon.
So
What are we going to do out there?
We'll go swimming.
Swimming, what she said.
And floating on rafts and enjoying the sunshine and very warm day today.
Very hot.
I am very lucky that there's a big spotlight right from that flag up there, right down on my boat. That is cool. I just want to make sure because I could have hit this guy's fishing poles that were over here, and the wind was so strong it was pushing me into that boat, and I just want to make sure that I didn't damage my boat at all. So I'm going to see if I can get a good videotape of it. Oh, the light shines right on that, right on my boat. Our boat, mine and Kathy's. Spider. Got a spider web there. Got this big old monster spider web. I don't have any spray to get in there and spray it. The cooler's working. I think the protection on my boat is just perfect. Those bumpers down there doesn't look like it's tilting. It's all lit up. There's people up there partying. Thank you for the spotlight. This flag, he's got it lit up. He's got my boat lit up. That's a good thing. Everybody thinks it's lit up for protection. Cool. Spider webs down here, unfortunately. It's part of the Cheeseburger Festival over there. It's quiet at 11 o'clock, 10:30, it's 11 o'clock at night. There's our boat. I left the flags up because we're going to be back tomorrow. I'll check on it every night. We come out of the concerts at Caseville. Everybody's got their little shops closed because it's Monday and there's not much going on tonight. Yeah, it's a good song over there. Detroit Lions, Michigan Wolverines. Monday, it was Deadsville around here. Let's see, I'll show you what I got. Until I see a cop. There's some people in there. Cotton candy, corn dogs. I like corn dogs. I've never had a corn dog in these burgers. These burgers are all the frozen burgers. Carl. I know that guy. What they do with these burgers is They're frozen, and they cook them partially. Then they put them in hot water and let them soak in juices. And then they, right before you buy it, they stick it back on the grill. They reheat it, and it's usually pretty dry by then. It's not very good. But they have smash burgers that are fresh, never frozen back there. I think I'll try those. And some of these burgers, I remember having a corn dog. Now I know there's corn dogs up there. Look at this house. I wanted to show you this house. It's up out of the ground here. They're moving these two houses right here. There's one right there, and this one they already moved up, but they haven't taken it out of here yet. It's pretty cool, huh? And this is the end of Caseville. We do have a bowling area. This Chuck's Drive-In used to be good, but it's not that good anymore. I don't know what happened to it. I think new ownership or something.